nigga, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
How you guys feeling this wig though? How are you guys feeling this wig? So today I'll be showing you guys how I install this bang wig that I got from Sunber Hair. This honestly was one of the easiest wigs I've ever put on. I mean, it's a go-to. So right now I'm just unpackaging the hair, showing you guys how it came and what exactly I got inside the box. So this wig was a 99J front bang wig. It was a red wine color. This is a front bang wig, as you can see, and there is no lace to cut off. Like, this is what I loved about this wig. Like, you don't have to do anything to it. You don't have to bleach no knots, you don't have to cut no lace. Literally a go-to. And the hair felt so good, guys. Like, the hair was so soft. I really like the quality of this hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair and be back. I'm just going ahead and adjusting the straps at the back, making it tighter, that way it fits my head properly. Like always, I'm going in with some Dax and my Bio Silk, as you can see, and I'm just gonna rub that through my hair and flat iron it. So guys, as you can see here, I'm just going in with scissors and cutting off the long pieces that were hanging in my face. But here you can see I pull back the wig and the bangs are just fitting my face. But you can cut the bangs as short as you want, or you can keep them long. The best thing about wigs is that you can literally push it back and push it forward as much as you want. So I'm gonna go in, cut some of the bangs off, and I'm using my finger to guide me. Don't just go snipping away, but I am using my fingers and I'm just cutting a little bit off, just a little bit. So that is what I'm doing now. I will be cutting layers at the sides, and that's why I took out some of the hair from the top of my ear on each side, because I will be cutting some layers right there. Guys, once your cut is done, that is basically it. This is how the wig looked on me. I mean, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and let me know in the comments how you feel about this wig. Don't forget to check out Sunber Hair. All the hair details will be listed in my description box below, so check them out. And I'll see you guys in my next video.